Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Eternal Voyager. This sought-after outfit is a fantastic addition to your collection and will cover the most straightforward path to unlock it. The key lies in understanding the Battle Pass system and maximizing your experience gains. We'll break down the steps into easily manageable tasks, ensuring you can earn this unique item without unnecessary grind. Let's dive into the details and get you on your way to becoming an Eternal Voyager. First, you'll need to acquire the Battle Pass itself. This premium pass unlocks a wealth of rewards as you play, including the Eternal Voyager. Your goal is to advance through all 100 tiers, each requiring a set amount of experience points. Don't worry, there are many ways to earn these points efficiently. Think of it as a roadmap to your new outfit, with exciting milestones along the way. Let's explore how to earn those crucial experience points. To speed up your progress, focus on maximizing your experience point gains. Daily and weekly challenges are your best friends here, offering substantial rewards for relatively simple tasks. Playing with a squad of friends also provides a significant experience point boost, making every match more rewarding. Don't forget to try different game modes. Some offer higher experience point rates for specific activities. Consistency is key, so make these activities a regular part of your gameplay. Once you've diligently completed challenges and earned enough experience points, you'll reach the specific Battle Pass tier that grants the Eternal Voyager. Navigate to your Battle Pass screen and claim your well-deserved reward. It's a fantastic feeling to unlock such a distinctive item through your efforts. Now, head to your locker, equip your new outfit, and showcase your achievement in style. Congratulations on becoming an Eternal Voyager.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.